All right, Troy, so now this ductwork is all cleaned and the homeowners have requested that it be sealed. Why?
Well, we want to make sure that the air is going where it's designed to go. We want it staying inside of the ductwork instead of leaking into building cavities.
Do you always have to clean the ductwork prior to sealing it up?
Yes, that's best practice. We want to make sure as well that none of the contaminants inside of the ductwork is glued or left inside of there.
Okay. Well, explain your process.
Well, we start with a visual inspection on the ductwork. Although our equipment is set up to seal these common holes inside of the duct system, we want to make sure that we're keeping the glue inside of the duct system instead of allowing it to leak out. So we're going to go through and we'll tape up anything that we can see. And we want to be very careful with this because the edges are very sharp. It's UL rated. We want to apply it to where the corners of the duct system meet, and we want to softly roll it around the edges there.
Okay.
Once we have that applied and we have the air bubbles removed from there, we're going to use a mastic. And with this, we just apply it with a basic paintbrush. This process is very simple. We're just kind of painting it on there. We want to get all of the tape covered plus around the edges.
All right. Smells a little like caulk.
It sure does. This something you'd like to try?
Yeah. How thick do you have to put it on?
Just a smooth layer is plenty. Perfect.
How's that?
That looks great. And the benefit of the mastic on top of there is that the tape can break down over time due to heat and temperature changes inside of the ductwork. The mastic is a permanent solution to keep that ductwork sealed.
It probably protects the glue to some degree too and holds everything in place.
It does a fantastic job. That is the solution to making sure we don't have any further leaks in that area.
All right, what's next?
Next, we're going to go ahead and hook up the Aeroseal machine and we're going to get started with the sealing process. We're going to hook up to the duct system at a location down below here. We will bag off the filter so we're not getting any glue into the heating and cooling equipment. And then from there, we'll hook up our Aeroseal machine.
And explain Aeroseal and how that works.
Well, Aeroseal is a process of taking a glue and heating it up, atomizing it or turning it into a mist that we then inject inside of the duct system. From there, it seeks out the leaks and seals them shut.
Does it fill the entire duct system with a sticky glue?
No, actually the glue is inside of there, but it's only going to come out where there are leaks.
Okay, and then how do you test that?
Well, we have a laptop, and what we do prior to starting the sealing of the ductwork is we test it to see how much leakage there is. We go through the sealing process, and then at the very end, we test it again to see how much of a difference we've made.
So in general, what are the benefits of having your ductwork sealed?
Well, again, you're drastically increasing the efficiency of your duct system, which is very important. We're also making it healthier for you to be able to breathe. We don't want you having duct leaks that can also bring in contaminants into your air supply.
That's a great point. Is it uncommon to have holes like this within your duct system?
Oh, it's very, very common. This is just a standard construction practice.
So this adhesive that you're talking about, how long can homeowners expect that to last?
Well, it has a 10-year warranty on it, but in my experience, we have shown no signs that it's breaking down over time.
Okay. These holes are pretty small. What if you encounter a bigger one? Can the adhesive tackle that too?
Well, some holes are large enough that we may need to do some other repairs to your ductwork. It may include changing pieces of ductwork or applying patches.
Now, if people choose not to have their ducts sealed, what's the potential air that they could actually lose inside their home?
Oh, you can legitimately lose 20 to 35% of your air depending on how your home was constructed.
Wow, that's huge. This, like anything in your home, is an investment, right?
It sure is.
How much would that cost?
Anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 per home.
Okay, thanks. This is great information. For more energy and cost-saving tips, follow us on Facebook. Log in and like us.